I hope you are having a fantabulously awesome day. The question that I have from Allison is, what tools do you have in your toolbox? I never throw any tools away. I have tools, have tools everywhere. This one, and it is, I guess, the most contemporary style toolbox. So if I go, I have another toolbox here that I actually made, or I painted it a while back. I got it from a thrift store, and it's just like that, and that was the original finish. And I just use this one. Actually, I like using this one more than the big one because I can just kind of stick things inside of it. And here I have a paintbrush. I have another multi-tool, and then I have these 4 wood clamps for when I'm working on wood projects, building, anything like that. Have a bag of little chip brushes, which these are just the little cheapy brushes as compared to this one. These I usually use when I'm using oil-based paint because they're usually $1 or less, and I can just toss them away when I get done. And these are the ones I use. These more for latex paint because I can actually rinse them out and just continuously reuse them. And these cost about 10 times as much. And now I have this one in here, which is my wrench. And I have in here a paint can opener, which there's a lot of different things that I can use to open paint cans. Like I can use this to open it, but this tool right here is actually the easiest opening device you can use for a can. And I have probably about 50 of these around, but of course here's another one. Of course, when I need it, I hardly ever. My toolbox itself, things like my screwdrivers, my measuring tape, my hammer, things like that always kind of stay out. They just kind of stay laying around the house. So in this toolbox, in here I just have like a bunch of different screws that are all different sizes and shapes, and it's very rare that I even go in here because it's so confusing that I never even want to go in to this container. But if something happens and I just need one screw for something, I'll usually go and I'll definitely find it in here. But normally if I'm working on the projects and I know I need like several of one size of a nail or something, I'll just go buy like an entire box. And so, but I never throw these out because I have somewhere to put them, and as soon as I threw them out, I would need them. And I have these little things also. These are actually cord fasteners in order to, like, if you have like a cord that you're trying to get out of the way, or you don't want it just to be really, really visible, you can take this and stick it into the wall, and it kind of affixes the cord to the wall. So that's the top part of the toolbox. And then as you get inside, I don't know what these are. I don't really know where these came from. I have my level, which I don't use too often. I actually don't. I said I was going to start using these when I hung pictures on the wall because I'm always wondering if I'm doing it like not level, and I just turn my head and look at it a few times and drive myself crazy about it, but I never really use it for that. I actually used it last when I was doing the paneling on the doors, since that was kind of permanent, just to make sure that the panels were straight and everything. And then I have this big screwdriver, which there's the regular size in this one. This one, I don't know. I'm going to say I definitely haven't used it too much. It almost looks brand new. But I'm going to say there have been, I think, when I've used it. And then I have like a million gazillion different sizes of screwdrivers with different type heads. And these aren't as commonly used. Actually, this is the same size as that one, so that one hardly ever comes out of there. But the thing about this one is I think you can take that out and change these around, and these are like really little, and some of these are even stripped, so they kind of stay in here. I have the needle nose pliers, and then I have some of these little tools that you get when you buy different furniture. And it's very rare that I will have to use these, because usually they give them to you specifically with whatever you buy. And then I have more markers, a pair of scissors again, which I already have this pair, and these are a little bit sturdier, so I don't really use. I could probably put that somewhere else around the house. And then I have a knife for some reason, more markers, and then a little mini measuring tape, which now that makes 3 that I found today. And then this has a compartment that comes out, so there's more stuff down in here, and this looks like the rest of those tools. And then I have those little table fasteners. And then right here I have a bunch. This bag is full of parts for my Honda Civic, so I still have a lot of these left, and I doubt I will ever need them. I have tools, have tools everywhere. Thanks for checking out my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I have in my toolbox. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put a nail in that like button. Feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.